OCR it, the extraction hyperlayer. The input would be the source content or the PDF, and the created EPUB and XML we can insert into the workflow if we are going to use this as a QA certification application. So we have introduced zoning manually as well as auto zone. Then we send the zone images through 3 OCR engines. Here in our practical environment we use Abby Fine Reader, PDF to text, OmniPage as OCR sources, and we get the output from these 3 OCR engines and we send it to the refine layer. Then we have introduced confidence level. If the confidence level is still low, we send it to the OCR hyperlayer and we get the correct output from there, a list of erroneous words and the expected word list. So I will explain it further. I will explain the extraction hyperlayer, the first layer, refine layer. So we get the output from OCR1, OCR2, OCR3. We can set any other OCR engine. If there's a very good resourceful OCR engine, we can fit into the workflow. So we check word by word comparison, and if the 3 words are identical, we send it into the correct array list. And if there are mismatch words, or if there's a different word in these 3 output word list, we send it to the refine layer here, and we can check the 3 words, whether these 3 words are identical. Maybe at this stage we can find one word is different from the other 2 words. From these 2 OCR engines it has recognized identical, but from this OCR it recognized differently. So then we take these 2 words, this word and this word, and we check the density analysis. We check whether the first word is available in this correct array list and the second word is available in this correct array list. The chances are there the first word may not be available in the correct array list and the second word may be available 2-3 times in the correct array list, correct list. And then we use the dictionary check. The first word we check in the dictionary. Probably the first word may not be available in the dictionary. The second word may be available in the dictionary. Using these values, we check the confidence level. We have introduced a confidence level, a formula where we get the different weighted points for different criteria here. So based on the confidence level, if the word is correct, we send it to the correct word list, and if it is still low, we send it into the hyperlayer and we further rectify it. So here we get a correct word list and the expected word list as the output.